Hello students, today we are going to start a new lesson and the name of the lesson is Granny's Cupboard. Number 1, getting ready. Circle the things that are used by any of your grandparents. Match them with their names. So you have to circle the things which are used by your grandparents, means your grandfather, grandmother, okay, and match them with their name. First you have to circle the things, then you have to match the things with the name, okay. If your parents use the back, you have to circle the back and match with the name back, okay. I have only circled the things, you have to match the name also, okay. Number 2, reading. Granny Dadi, that what we called my father's mother. In fact, everyone called her that. That means Granny Dadi means grandmother, okay. That what we called, okay. That means they called their grandmother with the name Granny Dadi, okay. In fact, everyone means his father, maybe his father, mother, and they also called her Granny Dadi, okay. She came to live with us some years ago. That means Granny Dadi came in their house before, okay, before. My little sister Samli and I grew up under her watchful eyes. Watchful meaning is given over here, careful. Watchful means careful. That means Granny Dadi used to take care of that boy and Samli. Samli means brother. Both the boy and the girl is brother and sister, okay. And Granny Dadi had a cupboard. That means Granny Dadi had a cupboard. Cupboard means where things are stored, okay. It was very special cupboard, okay. That means that is very special cupboard, okay. It seemed to hold everything we ever needed. So that means everything is inside that cupboard, okay, cupboard. Whatever they need, the things are inside the cupboard, okay. A watch for me, some fancy buttons for Samli's frock, an old book of poems for father. The list was endless, okay. That means a watch for me means a watch for that boy, and for some fancy button, okay. Some fancy button for Samli's frock. Samli's frock means for his sister frock. Frock means the girl used to wear frock, okay. For that also grand in that cupboard there is a fancy button, watch, old book for father. That means their for their father also in that cupboard there is a book of poems, okay. And the list was endless. The list was endless means the list was never ending, okay. Never ending means there is many things which is stored in that cupboard, which is endless, okay. And however, no one was ever allowed to look inside this cupboard, okay. Allowed means permitted, okay, permitted. No one. Granny never allow anyone to look what is inside in this, what is inside the cupboard, okay. Please, Granny Dadi, I begged one day. One day that boy begged to his Granny Dadi. Okay, Granny Dadi. One day that boy begged to his grandmother. No, she said firmly. Okay, your time will come, my child, when you can see it all. Okay, firmly means strictly. When that boy say that, please, Granny Dadi, so when that boy asks her grandmother to ask permission to look what is inside in that cupboard, Granny Dadi strictly said no. Okay, and Granddaddy said, you have time when you can see the cupboard. Okay, so you can see what is inside the cupboard. Okay, and once mommy was looking for a bracelet means bangle. Okay, you can see here over here the meaning of bracelet bangle. Okay, bracelet to match with her new sari. Once mommy, okay, mommy means Samlis and his mother. Okay, brother's mother. One mommy was looking for bracelet. Bracelet means bangle. She search means look for. All the shops she could not find what she was looking for. One day, Samli's mother was looking for a bangle to match with her new sari. To match with new sari means maybe with same design, with same color. She was she was searching for a same color bangle, same color, same design bangle, which she wants to match with her new sari. Okay, but she did not, but she could not find that matching bangle in shop also. Okay, Granny Dadi opened her cupboard. Will this do, Sarla beti? She asked. Mother eyes lit up. Okay, Granny Dadi open her cupboard, and will this do, Sarla beti? That means he asked to Samli's mother. Okay, here Sarla beti is Sarla beti here is Samli's mother and grandmother, daughter-in-law. Okay, Granddaddy asks Samli's mother, will this match to your sari? He asks. Okay, and Granny Daddy asks that, will this match to your saris? Then Sarla's eyes is lit up means with excitement. Her eyes lit up. Okay. Oh, Granny Dadi, thank you. This is just what I was looking for, and Sarla Beti was very happy. When Granny Dadi gave her to that bangle. Okay, and she said, this is just what I looking for. She just want like that only. Okay, once Daddy misplaced his digital notepad. Once Daddy means Daddy here is the Samli's father. Once Samli's father misplaced means incorrectly, carelessly. Okay, one day Samli's father misplaced his notepad. Okay, digital notepad, and oh no, he exclaimed. Exclaimed means cried out suddenly. Okay, whatever shall I do? Whatever shall I do? I had to mail the Diwali cards. Okay, so that means Diwali is near. Okay, that time Diwali is near, and one day suddenly when Samli's father misplaced his digital notepad, suddenly he cried out and said, what shall I do? he was crying because he had to mail a Diwali cards. Okay. Uh, uh, Out came a red book from Granny's Dadi's cupboard. The addresses of all our friends and relatives were entered in her neat writing. Daddy thought it was a miracle. Okay, miracle. Out came a red diary from Granny took one red diary, red notebook. Okay, Granny took one red notebook from her cupboard. Okay, and the addresses of all friends and relatives is there was there in her neat handwriting. She entered all addresses of relatives, friends in that red notebook. Okay, and daddy thought that and his son thought that when he got that notebook, he thought that it was a miracle means a happy event that was not expected. Okay, that means his son did not expected that he will get that. Okay, and my sister Samli had a doll tea set. Okay, it was made of pink plastic. She was very fond of it. One day she forgot in the lawn. Our Mali had a weak eyesight. He swept it into a pile of dry leaves and set fire. Eyesight means vision. Okay, you can see over here the meaning of eyesight, vision. Okay, my sister. Okay, my sister means the boy sister. Okay, the boy sister. So Samli has a doll set which is made of pink plastic. Okay, she liked that doll's tea set very much. Okay, very much. And one day she forgot that doll tea set in the garden. Lawn means in the garden where the grass in the garden. Okay, in the grass of the garden. Our Mali means gardener who used to take care of garden. Okay, had a weak eyesight means uh, so that gardener had a weak eyesight, power to see. Okay, he had a weak power to see. Okay, power to see. Okay, he swept it into the pile. Pile means something. Pile means top of something, top of another thing. Okay, and that Mali swept it into the pile of dry leaves. Okay, when he was sweeping, he swept that doll tea set because he has a weak eyesight. Okay, weak eyesight, weak vision. That's why she swept that doll tea set. Okay, in the pile into a pile of dry leaves, and he brought that to bond. Okay, brought that to bond. Okay, and Samli was in tear. No one could cheer her up. Even Granny Daddy failed to stop her snobbing. Snobbing means noisy crying. It made Granny Daddy very sad. When Mali swept her that doll tea set, Samli started crying. Okay, crying crying. No one, even his mother, father, even her mother, father, brother, even daddy granny failed to stop her sobbing. Sobbing means noisy cry. Okay. And when the granny daddy failed to stop her crying, she feel very bad. Okay, she feel very bad. Suddenly granny daddy, suddenly she called out me, Ajay, come here, I need your help. That means the boy of the name is Ajay. Okay. Suddenly daddy called Ajay, come and come here and help me. She said, come here and help me, Ajay. Okay. Yes, granny daddy, what I can do? What can I do? Ajay replied to granny, yes daddy, what can I do? My memory is not so good. Memory means power to remember. Okay, not good, but I remember when I was a little girl, I had a kitchen set. Would you climb up and took in my cupboard? It should be at the back of the topmost shelf. Uh, Granny said, my memory is not good. Memory means power to remember. But I remember, but she had remembered when she was little girl, she had a kitchen set. And she said, would you climb up and took and look in my cupboard. And Granny Daddy said, would you climb up and look in that cupboard? Okay. And she said it should be in the back of the topmost shelf. Okay. My heart was beating fast. I was going to see the inside of Granny's daddy cupboard. I turned the key slowly. I opened the doors. Never before had I seen such a collection of things. Okay, silk and jewels, creped ivory and brass items, and almost hidden amongst them were some old toys still in excellent condition. My eyes popped out. It held so many treasures. Okay. My heart. When daddy said that climb up and look into the cupboard, the Ajay's heart was beating fast, and because he was going to see what is inside in that cupboard. Okay. And he started to he started to turn the key. Slowly he opened the cupboard, opened the door. Before he never saw such a collection of things. Okay, collection means a group of, okay, a group of things. Okay, a group of things. So before he never had seen such a collection, group of things. Silk means a fiber or thread which is made by silkworm. Okay, and jewel means ornaments. Okay, crepe ivory means teeth. So she wants to say, she is fond of keeping things like elephant teeth, talks. Okay, and brass item means utensils. It is gold in color, and almost hidden amongst them were some toys. Okay. So in that cupboard there is silk, jewels, creped ivory and brass items, and some old toys. Okay. Still in excellent condition means in a good state. That means that toys is not got spoiled. Okay. My eyes popped up and held so many treasures. He saw that in that cupboard there is lots of inside the cupboard there's lot of old treasure. Treasure means precious things was there. Okay, precious things was there in the cupboard. Okay, Looked for the kitchen set, Ajay, Granny Dadi. Granny Dadi said to Ajay that look that kitchen set, where is look Granny said that where is that kitchen set. I climbed onto a stool and found it exactly where Granny Dadi said it would be. It is a black, Granny Dadi's family won't like it, I said. And Ajay climbed onto a stool and found that kitchen set where Grandma said. Grandma said that Grandma have said to Ajay that it should be in the topmost shelf. Okay, it is exactly there only. Okay, it is exactly there only where Granny Dadi said it would be. Okay, Granny Dadi said that it would be in the topmost shelf. Okay, it was there only, and it is black. Okay, so that kitchen set is black. Okay, becomes black. Okay, Granny Dadi won't Ajay said that Simla won't like this kitchen set. Ajay said it is black, so Samli won't like it, Ajay said to Granny Dadi. It is made of brass, it just needs a little bit of scrubbing and polishing, said Granny Dadi. So that kitchen set is made of so that kitchen set is made of brass, so it just need a little it just need a little bit of scrubbing. Here is the meaning of here is the meaning of scrubbing means rubbing, polishing means making something shiny. Okay, so she said it just need a little bit of scrubbing and polishing, Granny said to Ajay. Okay, we walked together and soon had it shining like new. Samli was very happy, and when they got that kitchen set, Ajay and Gadi scrub that and polish that, and that became new like new. Okay, and Samli became very happy when she saw that brass kitchen set. Okay, Granny Dadi hugged us both. You are good children, she said. One day all things will be yours. Till then you can both look after the key for me. When I need something, you can find it for me. Granny Dadi hugged both Ajay and Samli, and she said, you are good children. Okay, and one day these all things will be. Granny said that you two are good children. When time will come, these all things will be yours, and till then you have to take care. You have means to Granny said to Ajay and Samli to take care of the key. Okay, whenever Granny Dadi needs something, they have to find for Granny Dadi, she said. Okay. Now 3. Understanding. Granny Dadi's cupboard held something for everyone. Some of the items came out of our cupboard are given below. Match the item to the correct person. Cross out the ones which did not come from the cupboard. Name the items that were in the cupboard. Write in the space below. Okay, so you have to in that Granny's cupboard there is something for everyone. For father there is red notebook and points for father, and for Ajay there is watch, and for Samlish there is button, there is kitchen set. Okay, and there is bangles for for their mother. Okay, for Sarla there is bangle. So these things you have to write, and there is no this one you have to do like this. These things is not mentioned in story, so you have to cross. Okay, cross this, cross on the, you have to write the names. Watch kitchen set, watch kitchen set, watch kitchen set, bracelet, frog button. Great poems. Okay, notebook also. Okay, B, answer the questions. What is the mother's name? Sarla is the name of the Sarla is the mother's name. Okay, is father name given in the story? No, father name is not given in the story. What did father misplace one day? One day father misplaced his digital notepad. What was the kitchen set made of? The kitchen set is made of brass. Okay, what was Samli happy with the kitchen set? Samli was very happy with that kitchen set. Okay, take the word that correctly describe each person. You can choose more than one word. Okay, one word from person. Okay, grandmother was caring. Okay, father is careless because he misplaced his notebook. Okay, Ajay is curious to look what is inside in that cupboard. Okay, now write one sentence from the story to show that you have described each person correctly. So you have to describe. Okay, describe in one sentence that you have understood. You have from the story you have to take one sentence that you have to describe each person correctly from the story. Okay, like my little sister Samli and I grew up under the watchful means careful eyes. Okay, and next one, once daddy misplaced his digital notepad. Okay, for grammar, look at the following picture and write down the following about each. The names are in the box. Okay, follow the example. Okay, one example is given here. This is a Kalpana. This is Kalpana Kapoor and her father Mr. Kapoor. That is Mr. Kapoor and his daughter Kalpana Kapoor. So this is the example. Like this only you have to write. I have done this. I have done this. This is a Ruby Jain and her husband Amir Jain. That is Amir Jain and his wife Ruby Jain. Like this only you have to do. I will send you through WhatsApp. Okay, you have to write. You have to copy this in your notebook. Okay, and 5 words. Find out the opposites of these words from the lesson. Okay, from the story you have to find opposite word. I already done this in book. You have to write this one also in your copy. Okay, nothing means something. Okay, nothing something is the opposite of nothing. Allowed. Forget remember. Bottommost, topmost. After, before. Strong, weak. Close, open. Lightly, heavy. Okay, match the following words in the column given here. Polish, polishing. Scrub, scrubbing. Sweep, sweeping. Wipe, wiping. Wash, washing. Brush, brushing. Okay, you have to you have to do this. Okay, and number C, now look at the pictures and write what they are doing. one is done for you, one is done for you. Okay, you have to look picture and you have to write what they are doing. So you can see over here, the picture, the boy is brushing. Okay,